XRP, what is going on with our good old XRP? Well, there's an exchange that's halting the trading for US citizens. This is definitely disappointing, but will other American exchanges continue with this pattern? Only time will tell, but we're going to go over what may or may not happen in the future. And we got some great news from an attorney about XRP, as well as some other good XRP news. And obviously, we're going to check out the charts. So before we dive into it, make sure you smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So let's just dive right into it. We got the attorney, Jesse Heinz. He's a New Jersey attorney interested in blockchain and the benefits it offers to society. So just want to read his tweet that he has a nice video here. For those of you who want to try to get your respective legislators involved in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, I have attached an open letter to Congress and instructions on how you can send this letter or a similar letter to the legislator of your choice. You just got to go to coil.com, click this link. I retweeted this. You can find it on the Crypto Homie at homie_crypto on Twitter. You can find it there. It's definitely a great 2-minute clip right here to check out and see how you can support the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. So moving on, we have, with Coinbase says it now has regulatory approval to list security tokens. This will be, key and a future topic we're just about to get into, because Bitstamp, they are now they're halting the trading of XRP for U.S. customers. It says, in light of the recent SEC filing against Ripple Labs, which alleges that XRP is a security, we are going to halt all trading and deposits of all XRP for our U.S. customers on January 8th, 2021 at 9 p.m. UTC. We will closely follow the unfolding situation and continue to adapt accordingly. Our customers will still be able to withdraw XRP from Bitstamp. Customers from other countries are not affected. And follow them on Twitter to stay up to date on the latest from what they're doing. So keep in mind, they're just being very cautious on what's happening with the SEC. But I think the biggest takeaway from this is, if you're not in the United States, it does not, and I'll repeat, does not affect you. This is only an American thing. The best part about Ripple and XRP is that this thing is global, worldwide. At the end of the day, just like good old Brad Garlinghouse said, we do not need the United States to be successful. Not saying that utilizing business in the United States would definitely help them, but they can be successful without the states. So just be careful. January 8th, you're not allowed to deposit or buy on Bitstamp. Just be careful with that. So what's going to happen with Coinbase? I mean, Coinbase is a big American exchange. What's going on with there? Well, I just wanted to show you guys, the Coinbase now has regulatory approval for securities. This actually was back in July 2018. So according to this article, they already have and are working on the license to, sell securities. So if they can do this, and if XRP is deemed a security, just like, Bitstamp's taking precautions, if XRP is deemed a security in the United States, because we all know in other countries, it is not a security. Most countries deem XRP as a currency. So, but, let's just say, worst case scenario, XRP is considered a security in the United States of America. Guess what? Coinbase should be able to still sell it because they are able to sell securities. So that's some great news. And then just saying that Coinbase and other big exchanges are between a hard and a rock place on delisting XRP. Because think about it. Okay, they get so much volume. They make so much money off of selling XRP. I mean, the amount of volume pro Coinbase and Coinbase.com has is ridiculous for XRP in a 24-hour period. They make so much money off the fees. And that's how exchanges make a bunch of money. They make it off the fees. And guess what? They just keep making more and more money. So they don't want to delist it, but at the same time, they don't want to get fined by the SEC for selling a security if they're not allowed. But like I just said from that previous article, according to this article, Coinbase should technically be allowed to sell securities, and this would be great. It'd be great to see that Coinbase could continue selling XRP and not do what Bitstamp has done. So this article, the one right here, about being in a rock and a hard place, about delisting. So it just says U.S.-based cryptocurrency exchanges have to consider whether to delist XRP in the light of a Securities and Exchange Commissioner (SEC) lawsuit alleging that XRP is a security issued by the Ripple Labs. Chief among these exchanges is Coinbase, which, in addition to the normal considerations around listing XRP is he also seeking SEC approval. See, it took Coinbase forever to list XRP. I thought as soon as it got listed, I was like, okay, this thing's definitely not going to be considered a security, because Coinbase, they took forever to list this thing. They probably saw behind the scenes, they said, yeah, it's not a security. It's not a security, so guess what? We're going to list it and we're going to make some big bucks. But at the same time, if they also got, 2 years ago, they also got their license to sell securities, then I guess today it doesn't really matter. So just keep that in mind. They had that, green light right here to sell. So that's great to see. But it still puts them in a rock and hard place, because what's going to happen with the SEC if it does turn out to be a security? Are they going to get fined? How's this all going to play out? There's so much uncertainty around XRP. As you can see, XRP is down around about basically 20% in the last 24 hours, hanging at around 30 cents. So it's definitely disappointing to see the way this is just crushing the price of XRP. Long term, I'm bullish. I think this thing will be like $5 in the next year or two by far. But short term, 10 cents, I think here we go. Things are not looking great. And I get that by just looking at the chart. Let's pull up the weekly. It'll be easier to see. Let's adjust a few things for everybody out there. Make it easier to see. I hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Hope it was great. Got to spend a lot of time with your loved ones, family. Hope you had an excellent day. So now back to the good old XRP. I mean, look, we fell right here to resistance. There's a lot of action right there, around the 20 cents. So, as you can see by looking at the chart. But just keep in mind, though, we go back here, we fell as low as, the 10 cents right here. Breaking 10 cents would be catastrophic. Breaking 10 cents would be not good at all. Not good at all. So we do not want to break 10 cents. But like I said, I showed you guys this a couple months ago. Whenever the 21 weekly moving average crosses the 50 weekly moving average, that is such a bullish sign. Let's make this a little bit bigger. See that? We had the yellow across the blue. That's very bullish. And you may be like, okay, well, why? This is the first time I'm seeing this. Why is that so bullish, the crypto homie? Because look, go back in time. Cross back here in May 2017, had the cross in here, look crossed up. We had a nice pump. Then we consolidated for a while. We came down approximately 70%. And then once we corrected, we popped back up, made massive gains all the way up to around $3.50, $3.84, depending on what exchange you're on. Massive. And then obviously a massive, we just followed the whole cycle of the crypto market. It's been down since. And when we're looking at this, how we're going down, a lot, what amazes me is some people blame Ripple for this, that it went down because of Ripple, because they keep selling. But the entire crypto market looks just like this too, around the same time. So I don't understand how that has to do with Ripple. If you guys disagree, please let me know down in the comments below. I just don't understand how this can just show that Ripple's selling, because if you go look at anything else from this time frame, let's go look at Bitcoin. I mean, look at this. It's been going down too. It's been going down as well. Yes, of course, Bitcoin recovered a lot faster, but it's the big one. I guess one that's more comparable to would be Ethereum. See, this is very similar. It's just down, down, down. So what's going on there? Alrighty, so what do you think of this whole delisting of XRP on exchanges? What do you think? Do you think Coinbase? You think Coinbase really does have security approval? You think they're gonna, since they're between a rock and a hard place, do you think they're gonna delist it or continue listing it? What's going on there? And are you going to participate by, taking this letter and sending it to your respective legislators? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I hope you're having a great day, morning, afternoon, wherever you're from. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe for more content, because the crypto homie is signing out.